and welcome. Today's video, I got some Boxycharm variations for you guys for the December 2020 base box. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And let's just go ahead and jump into the quick disclaimer. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where your girl is majorly iced coffee strong. If you follow me over on my blog channel, guys, I did a little bit of a how I make my iced coffee. Now look, it's no Dunkin', all right? You guys know your girl loves her Dunkin' Donuts, but it's a close second. I mean, it's a close second, and it's pretty amazing, and I've got the energy of like no other, so I'm pretty happy about that. So anyways, like I said, I've got a couple different variations to talk about with you guys today on the Boxycharm December 2020 base box. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so like I said, I was scrolling around on Instagram. Woo, the words, the caffeine. I thought it was strong enough. Maybe it's not. Anyways, I was scrolling over on Instagram and I saw a couple variations, and actually one of you guys had actually sent me a screenshot of an unboxing, and I was like, oh, we got it really, really early. So I'm sure by the time that I upload this video, there's going to be more variations to come out. Now, I do receive it in PR typically, but the day I'm filming this, which is December 3rd, I've not received it yet, but as soon as I do, you guys know, you guys will be seeing the unboxing. And if you follow me over on Instagram, I will be doing whatever is in the box, which I'm super excited about. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into what we are seeing. So I'm going to pop it up over here. As always, guys, anything I pull from Instagram, Facebook, wherever, I always leave the handle on there to give credit where credit is due. Now, let's talk about the price of this box. This box, the base box, is $25. That's it, $25, and you're going to receive at least $125 worth of goodies in this box. You do get to customize one item in the box, and as I told you guys last month, I was completely screwed up because I thought some of the items we were going to be seeing in the Luxe were going to be items that you got to choose with the base box. Turns out your girl was wrong, but you know, nobody's perfect. So the first item we are seeing in here, which was a choice, is by Glamnetics, which I am so curious about this. And by the way, add-ons happen on, let's see here, I think is it going to be December 7th? I think December 7th is when add-ons open up and choices. Let me double check that real quick before I give you guys the wrong information. Yes, choice and add-ons is going to be December 7th on Monday, opening at 12 p.m. Now what they're doing is they're just opening it up for everybody so nobody has to wait, which I don't know about you guys, but I actually really like that. So anyways, moving over to this, I'm really hoping that the Glamnetics lashes are available over an add-on because I am kind of curious about this. I've never tried a magnetic lash. I'm not the best at putting glued lashes on, so I'm curious to try this out. Let me know if you guys have tried it out before and if this was one of your choice items. The next item we're seeing in this box is by OFRA Cosmetics, and this is one of their lipsticks. Not mad about it. It's actually a really pretty like pinky neutral shade. Let me turn my night shift light off on my phone because I couldn't get a true color on here because of that, but I think it's a really pretty like mauve type of shade. Now I don't know if it's going to be a variation as far as colors go, but again, I've received a couple MAC lipsticks and Boxycharm and other subscriptions, and they're actually really comfortable lipsticks. Next, we're seeing a 5-piece Luxie Eye Brush Set. You guys, if you need brushes, subscription boxes are the way to go, especially Luxie. They're great quality brush, and I love seeing that there is a 5-piece set. Moving on, the next item we're seeing here is by Tarte. This is the Man Eater Mascara. Now, Joe did tell us we were going to be seeing Tarte in our boxes, and sure enough, here it is with the mascara. Now, I don't think I've tried the full-size Man Eater mascara out. I think it was like a sample deluxe size or something that I received in Ipsy or something. So I'm not mad about that. You guys know I am a mascara junkie because I don't wear lashes. I coat and coat and coat. So I like that. And then the one item I'm super excited about, hold on, let me pull it. I have this particular one. This one that we are seeing in the base box is the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. Now, you guys, remember, this box is $25. This alone is like, I believe, $27, the palette. So it's in your cardboard type of packaging when you open it up. I actually did a look using some of the shades in here with the Vizi Art Neutral palette that we're going to see in the premium box for December from Boxycharm. So this is really pretty, and again, this is a variation. So you're going to see this or the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette, or Amethyst Obsessions, I'm sorry, or the Artist Couture Caliente palette. So this, like I said, it's a variation. I think it's really pretty. So that is the first variation we are seeing as of December. Well, I saw December 2nd. So moving on, there's another variation I did want to talk about with you guys, and this is by, again, Boxycharm Addiction. If I forgot to mention that, that's where I got the last box as well. This one has, okay, one thing that is similar, and that's the Glamnetics Magnetic Lashes. Now, when it came to the lashes by Glamnetics, there was one that was more of like the natural side of things and one that was the really glam lashes. So looking at this, to me they both look the same, so I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I'm just letting you guys know when it came to choices. So that's the first thing we are seeing in this box. Next, we're seeing the Artist Couture Caliente palette. It's an 8-pan palette. Now, the Huda Beauties are a 9-pan palette, and I mean, I know, like I've said it from the get-go, I know some other creators have said it as well. This definitely reminds them of spring and summer, and it definitely does. I mean, it really truly does. But at the same time, I don't know about you guys, but I've been like just pulling from multiple palettes. I'm not just trying to create one cohesive look with one palette. So I think this is going to be a great accent palette as far as that goes. You honestly, just looking at the bottom row of this palette, the shades, you could get a really pretty kind of like everyday neutral look out of it. And then you could always pop some colors, the vibrant colors in there come spring or summer. So anyways, I mean, have fun with it. The next item I'm seeing in here is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I am very curious about this. So as you guys know, we've gotten the Marc Jacobs, hold on, let me grab that for you guys. Okay, so a few months back, I can't remember when it was, we did get the Marc Jacobs Tantalized Dewdrops. There was 2 different shades, and I think this was a premium box choice, but I feel like this LMS Superfood is going to be kind of similar to this, because you can use this as a primer if you want to get a really radiant glow. You can use it obviously as the highlighter that it's used for, but it looks like with LMS, as we know, they're just a really good skincare line. With it saying superfood, some really good benefits, like skincare benefits as well to it, and I don't think it's going to be as like potent as the Marc Jacobs is as far as the radiant glow. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. And again, this is another item that I would love to see in add-ons along with the Huda Beauty, the Glamnetics, and I'd love to see the Artist Couture Caliente palette and add-ons. Next, we're seeing the Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. Now, this is something that I know a lot of us have seen, and I say us, but like from the quizzes or surveys that y'all have sent me, this is something what I feel like we saw like middle of the year range as far as would we be interested in seeing it. Now, I personally do my own nails, so I'm not opposed to seeing something like this in my box. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I mean, I do trim my own cuticles as well, so this would be something I would definitely want to have. The next, we are seeing the Vizi Art Professional Makeup Eye Base Primer. Now, This one doesn't have me too excited, and I think only because I'm just so stuck on my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base in the shade medium. I use this every single day. This is actually my second one that I have started on because I love it. Now, a lot of the times I feel like the past types of eye primers that we have received were kind of like thin and there's not a lot of opacity there, and that's the biggest difference you're going to see with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base is there's a lot of opacity there. So if you are wanting like a clean canvas, you're going to love this. If you just want something to stick your shadows with, I think that pretty much this Vizi is probably going to give it to you. I don't know, I've never tried the Vizi before, but like I said, I'm a girl that's stuck in my ways with some things, and I can't go without this one. So anyways, those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items we are seeing in this particular variation. As far as the variations go, which one did you guys like better? I don't know. Like, I don't know. I think honestly, because I want that Artist Couture palette, I'm kind of leaning towards variation 2 that we just went over with the cuticle exfoliant. So anyways, those are the 2 variations that I have seen so far, but I did want to talk to you guys again about our choice and add-on dates. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, December 7th on Monday is going to be choice and add-ons where you select your January box items. I do not know just yet what those choices are going to be, but you guys know I will be coming back. I'll be going over them with you guys and going into detail, all of that as soon as I find out. Like I said, it opens up at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and after you make your choices, you're going to be able to shop add-ons, and it's saying that we are going to be seeing up to 80% off. So I would absolutely love to see the Caliente palette, the Elements Superfood, the Butter London, the Glamnetics. Like, I want to see all of this stuff in there and available. I mean, like I've been telling you guys, I just finished filming like my 3rd Boxy pop-up order unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it, and I get more for my money at the add-ons and the Boxy pop-ups. Like Sephora VIB has their sale, or Ulta has their sale, and I'm like, and I'll just wait for Boxy pop-up, you know what I mean? So anyways, let me know you guys' thoughts down below on those variations. Like I said, as soon as I receive my boxes and my paid for boxes, I'll be coming back. I'll do the unboxing for you guys. Follow me over on Instagram for more makeup looks. I did create this eye look, which my allergy eye was running, so I don't know how much is really left for you guys, but this look will be over on Instagram for y'all. I do have 2 videos that, well, I do have 2 giveaways going on our channel. One over on Instagram, and I will leave those linked and listed down below. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, as always, I have my link in the description. I'll pin it in the comment section for you guys. It is an affiliate code, just letting you guys know I will earn a little bit of a commission if you do use my link, and thank you guys in advance if you do. I do appreciate it. And don't forget, like I said, follow me on Instagram, follow me on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, as well as HAILEY'S channel. And until next time, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.